खबरों के सिलसिले को आगे बढ़ाते हुए आपको बताएं कि अमीर और गरीब के लिए अलग कानून रखने वाली कौमें तबाह हुई। मदीना की रियासत का पहला उसूल कानून सबके लिए बराबर होगा। वज़ीर आज़म इमरान खान का सीरत नबी कॉन्फ्रेंस से खिताब। कहा, मदीना की रियासत में कमज़ोर को तहफ़्फ़ुज़ फराहम किया जाता था।
Nations which did not have rule of law, who had the law of the jungle right, were sooner or later destroyed. Great nations always were based upon justice. First time the state took responsibility of the weak section of its society. First it took care of its weak, and secondly it brought the powerful under the law. Even today, this is the main thing which distinguishes a civilized society from what is called a banana republic. And the societies that are closer to these two principles are the ones that are prosperous, and the other societies which do not have rule of law and which do not have compassion